Humans, what have you learned? I was programmed to beat you.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against me.